In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the cost of HubSpot CRM and upgrade your plan. Whether you're running a small business or a large corporation, understanding how to navigate HubSpot's pricing and subscription options can play a crucial role in your decision-making process. So, let's dive in and get you started. First, you'll want to begin by heading to the HubSpot user guide, which, as a HubSpot customer, is your gateway to all things related to managing your account efficiently. Once you're in the user guide, look for the section labeled Account and Billing. It's typically found in your main navigation menu. The Account and Billing area is your one-stop shop for managing any financial or subscription details related to your HubSpot account, making this step crucial for accessing your current subscription details and potential upgrades. Now, once you're in the Account and Billing section, the next step is to click on View Pricing. This option is specifically designed to give you an overview of the potential costs associated with different HubSpot plans. It's a fantastic feature that allows you to compare pricing plans directly and get a comprehensive understanding of your options without any hassle. Next, you'll see several options tailored to different business needs. Here, you're primarily deciding between the professional and enterprise plans. Each of these plans offers a different set of features and levels of support, so take your time to carefully review what each one includes. Consider what best suits your organization's needs in terms of features, scalability, and budget. Once you've made your selection, for instance, if you decide on the professional plan, you'll then have the option to choose between paying monthly or annually. When deciding between these payment options, remember that paying annually can sometimes offer a slight discount compared to the monthly rate, so it could be worth considering if you're looking to save in the long term. After viewing your options and making a decision, if you still have questions or need further clarification on the plans, the next step is to click on Talk to Sales. This option provides a personalized experience, allowing you to speak directly with a HubSpot sales representative. Finally, if you prefer a more immediate response, you can choose to either call or chat with a representative. Let's say you choose the chat option. This can be particularly useful if you're looking for a quick answer or need assistance navigating the upgrade process. The chat feature connects you directly with support staff who can provide you with tailored advice and clarification on the plan details. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to confidently check pricing and manage your HubSpot plan to best fit your business needs. Feel free to explore more and don't hesitate to reach out to HubSpot's fantastic support team for further assistance.